Hi friends, this question is from test series 4. Subject name is OS, topic name is memory management and virtual memory, and it is of 1 mark. Let us see the question. Paging scheme of memory management suffers from option A external fragmentation, option B internal fragmentation, option C both problems are present but better than contiguous allocation, option D none of the above. Before going to solve this one, we have to know what is meant by paging. Paging, it is an efficient memory management scheme. The basic idea of the paging is the physical memory, which is nothing but main memory, is divided into fixed size blocks called frames, and the logical address space, which is nothing but user job, it is divided into the fixed blocks, which is nothing but pages, but the page size and the frame size are equal at any time. In order to solve this one, we will take the one example, which is nothing but this is the job and size of the each job. It is J1, J2, J3, J4, and each size is 450 KB, 1000 KB, J3 is 1024 KB, J4 is 1500 KB. According to this paging scheme, we know that each main memory and frame size both are equal. So according to OS is equally divided into equal fragments, and which size of each fragment is 1024 here. So job J1 has 450 KB, remaining part is this one, remaining part is marked with the rest of the part is marked as with like this, and J2 is 1000 KB, it is the remaining portion which is not used. J3 is 1024 KB, it is completed because the size of the job and the size of the partition size is equal. Remaining part is 1024, but J4 required 1500 KB, which is not there in this portion. So from this one, here some portion of each partition is not used. It is nothing but internal fragmentation. The definition for internal fragmentation is a partition of memory is wasted within a partition is said to be internal fragmentation. Here if you consider this one as one partition, job portion is 450 KB, remaining all portion is not yet used. This is nothing but internal fragmentation. External fragmentation is this full partition itself is not used. This is external fragmentation. The definition for the external fragmentation is a wastage of an entire partition is said to be an external fragmentation, which is nothing but represented like this in this diagram. So according to this paging scheme, internal fragmentation is there but external fragmentation is not possible because any free frame can be allocated to the process when it needs it. So the answer for this question is internal fragmentation, which is nothing but option which is nothing but option B. From this question we learned what is meant by paging and what is meant by internal fragmentation, external fragmentation using one example. Thank you.